With the new S63 AMG, the Mercedes-Benz high-performance partner pursues its drive strategy of less fuel consumption and more performance, synonymous as AMG Performance 2015. Combined, the AMG V8 engine, the start-stop automatic, and the speed-shift 7-gear sports transmission of the S63 AMG require 3.9 liters less fuel per 100 kilometers. The already improved performance can be further increased thanks to the performance package from 800 to 900 nanometers with 420 kilowatts. The new drivetrain of engine and transmission provide the top quality running characteristics with reduced fuel consumption and fewer emissions.